Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. The iPhone series is here and I have some Benks accessories. Starting with the Aurora Armor Air case for the iPhone Air and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And the ArmorPro case for the iPhone 17 Pro. All three cases built with Kevlar. So let's open the box to find out more about this product. I like the unboxing experience. Nice packaging. Benks. This design blends shades of deep blue, vibrant green and hints of radiant orange to capture the mystical dance of the Aurora Borealis in the night sky. I love how it looks. We have durable Kevlar fiber 600G. Looks amazing. This case isn't about maximum bulk, it's about a sleek and lightweight premium experience. Because it looks amazing. Unfortunately, I don't have any iPhone 17 to test it, but definitely by the first look, I'm pretty sure 100% it will fit perfect for your iPhone. There is no signal interference, so you don't have to worry about your phone signal for all three cases. The ArmorPro case, it is made with genuine DuPont Kevlar fiber and a shock-absorbing TPU frame. Enhanced durability and shock resistance for all three cases. MagSafe ready with built-in magnets for quick snapping. Another power bank from Benks. I have made a video, and for this power bank you can check after the end of this video, right in the corner. Wow, strong magnet. Exactly in the right position. Fits perfect. I like the design, it is amazing, together with the power bank. It has precise camera control buttons for ease use for all the cases. Precision tactile metal buttons with refined finish. Feels very nice to my finger. And here. Aluminium camera frame provides strong protection with a sleek, stylish design. Designed by Benks, it says here. Looks amazing. For the ArmorPro case, this coating is used in luxury leather and car interiors. It resists fingerprints, stains and enhances durability and provides a smooth, refined finish for your phone. Definitely it feels very nice. A variety of colors and designs are available for all these phone cases. I'm sure you will find something that you like and just buy it. For all the cases, buttons, ports are in the correct position. I like that. I like this aluminum around the cameras. So if you're looking for that perfect blend of premium feel and serious protection, this is the one to beat. You are getting the aerospace grade DuPont Kevlar fiber for incredible durability and a stunning minimalist look. You can find links to the Benks ArmorPro and Aurora case for iPhone 17 series in the description box below. Plus don't forget to check out some of our other mobile tech reviews right here. If you enjoyed this review, please hit the like button, subscribe for more iPhone 17 series accessories, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Keep your phones safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.